This is Gio, and today we're opening up
This is Mio.
the Xbox Series S.
The sidekick.
That's it. Right here.
Halo is on it.
That's it.
Here's 5. Cyberpunk does not deserve to
Yes.
It
Okay.
deserve to be there.
See these little tabs, just to make sure you don't open it wrong.
We've been waiting countless hours.
You go.
4 hours and actually now.
It ruined the box.
You ripped it too hard.
That's okay.
Put that back on. Put that back. Put it on $1 million watch. Work. Oh, I'm so excited.
Okay.
I'm so with this side. Look at the Excel box.
This one down here.
Oh, I can't get my fingers because they're
Okay.
Wow.
It's so small.
Oh, that's gone.
So small.
Where's the
It's
controller?
kind of heavy.
And let me feel.
This is
Oh,
Wait,
Xbox.
that's heavy.
Turn it around so we can see it.
Unboxing.
Where's the controller? Does it come with the controller? Let's just see if there's a controller here.
Okay, it's kind of warm.
The controller here?
Yeah, it's right here. Look. Look yourself.
Okay.
The Xbox. Right here. All these ports, HDMI 2.1, like storage expansion. I forgot to include this in the video, but here are the Xbox specs. So it's a 8-core clocked at 3.6 gigahertz, and it's a custom AMD 7nm processor. DPU, 4 teraflops, not as much, but I guess it's fine. 10 gigs of DDR6, up to 120 FPS, but that's of course on HDMI 2.1, which there's not many HDMI 2.1 TVs out there just yet. So, and it's not going to put a 4K like the X, but it's fine. 1440p with 4K upscaling. So most games, if you're playing at 1440, it's going to be 1080, but if you're playing at 4K, it's going to be at 1440, but it's going to be upscaled to 4K. An optical disk drive and a 512 NVMe SSD, which is obviously, system takes up space. So really, I got like 300, so wasn't that bad. Fit some small games and stuff. But yeah, back to the video. These are your two USB-A, your Ethernet, and then right here is the controller and the HDMI and the power plug. Right here's the controller.
Oh, that's so nice. Oh, that's beautiful.
And it comes
It's
with
beautiful.
Duracell AA batteries. Right here is the controller.
Oh, I want to feel. Oh.
Right here is the plug.
This is really nice.
And then the HDMI 2.1 cable.
Controller. Look, it's so nice.
I love it. It's so small. It's medium. I thought it'd be a little lighter. Huh. I like it. This is Gio. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.